Hey guys, welcome to our next weekly challenge. All right, this week we're going to be talking about solubility. Solubility is the ability of something to dissolve. Usually we're talking about something dissolving in water. So we could do something like flour or salt, even sugar, things like that. So flour is going to be insoluble, which means it's not going to dissolve in water. Okay, salt, that is going to dissolve in water, so we call that soluble. Sugar will do the same thing. It's a crystal, it's going to dissolve, just give it a good stir, and it eventually will seem to disappear. We know it's really just forming a solution with that water, whereas the flour that just went line would have formed a mixture. Okay, but we're not going to use either of those today. We're going to talk about this right here. Okay, so we have some soda here, and the thing about soda is that it is definitely a solution. It has lots of stuff dissolved in it. You can go and read the ingredients here. It happens to be diet soda, but really any of these sodas are going to work just fine. The number one ingredient on here is carbonated water. So why they don't just put water is because this is not just water. It's water that has carbonation in it. And the carbonation is actually a gas. That's why you have those bubbles. So carbon dioxide is the gas that they dissolve into the Diet Coke, or really any carbonated soda that you might have. That's why when you open it, you hear that sound of that gas escaping. You see the bubbles rise around here. So we saw evidence of a little bit of that gas as it was dissolved. So we're going to take this off. Now, I'm sure at some point you've all seen Mentos, right? Now, I don't want to get crazy because I don't want to get all dirty. But we're going to put some Mentos in here. I'm just going to put a couple in there to kind of keep this at a minimum level. I just want you to be able to see the reaction as we release a lot of that gas that's dissolved in here. It's soluble into this water as we release it out. Okay, so there we go. So this is why I drink Dr. Pepper. So most of the gas is now gone. And that's really going to bring us to your challenge this week. I want you to show me something dissolving in something else. Now I kind of did the opposite here. I showed you something undissolving, something escaping, separating a solution, believe it or not, into two parts. So I want you to do the opposite. I want you to show me something dissolving in water. And I'll leave it up to you when you put it in the water. Just make sure it's something safe. Remember those lab safety rules. If it's something we could do at school, go for it. If you can't, I don't want to see it. Okay? I look forward to seeing everything you guys come up with, and don't forget that hashtag, and we'll see you later. All right? 3, 2, 1. It went right up my nose.